This is Ryan with Parts Doctor. In this video, I'm going to show you to replace the auger motor on your GE refrigerator. The auger motor rotates the shaft on the ice bucket to dispense ice from the dispenser. If this part fails, it can cause the refrigerator to not dispense ice. If you need to buy a new auger motor for your refrigerator, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Since we will be working on the refrigerator's electrical components, disconnect power from the refrigerator. To remove, start by opening the door using the lever, then lift the ice bucket up and out. Using a 1/4-inch nut driver, remove the screw holding the thermistor cover in place. Then carefully pull the cover away and slide the thermistor out of the retainer. Then remove the 2 screws holding the auger motor in place using a 5/16" nut driver. Pull the auger motor out of the slot and disconnect the electrical connector by depressing the locking tab. If you need to purchase a new auger motor, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you get the correct part. To install, reconnect the electrical connector, then press the auger motor back into the opening. Reinstall the 2 screws. Tuck the electrical connectors into the opening on the housing, noting that they will not all fit. Reinstall the thermistor into the retaining slot on the cover. Then reinstall the cover at an angle. Be sure the tab is facing down. Then reinstall the screw. Set the ice box back in place and close the door, being sure to latch it shut. So that's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things and want to see more videos like this or these, please consider subscribing.